The Tarion Zone has been designed for creators who are on the go. It's the perfect combination of good looks and functionality. You can even fully customize its interior. Rearrange the partitions to exactly organize whatever you want to bring along. The dividers are padded with a patented layer of memory foam. This doesn't just fix your valuables in place, it also absorbs 50% of shock force. The innovative materials allow you to stick organizer pockets anywhere inside the bag. This way, you can build the perfect bag for your trip, tailored to your needs. It's big enough to fit everything you need. And the Fidlock magnetic buckles even allow you to add any extra items like tripods or tents. Tarion Zone has an ergonomic design, so you won't feel tired at the end of the day. Convenient side access means your camera or laptops stay put, but are always within easy reach when you need them. The Tarion Zone offers you a couple of options when you're traveling. You can pack several outfits, attach it to your trolley by using the magnetic buckle, or use the slim bag independently to only travel with the essentials. Tarion Zone is made by photography professionals with more than 10 years of experience in producing photography-related items. Tarion only strives for excellence, and our customers notice. Our bags regularly top the charts on Amazon and online stores across the world.
Tarion is coming to Kickstarter. We'd like to take this opportunity to introduce our newest model Zone to you first and hear what you think. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. We hope you will consider backing us on Kickstarter.